Pepe,
Alright.
Okay po.
Okay. Love, money, fame. The top of it is love.
Pepe, kumusta ka na after nung kamusta yung pagbabalik mo sa Singaling?
Pwede naman. Okay na sa akin. Pero kamusta yung pagbabalik ko sa singling? Ayun, naalala ko yung mental health ko.
Pinalik talaga.
Bumalik na naman.
Hindi, syempre, it's an honor, di ba? Kasi one of the highlights of my singing career, not a lot of people, ngayon mas dumadami na, but in the past few years, not a lot of people know that I sing. Nakikita ko madalas sa comment section, ay kumakanta pala siya. So, this is my roots eh. So, it's a reminder of the time when my roots were celebrated. And this is also the first time sa Singaling na nakaabot ako sa grand finals. So, it's a great honor. It's a for me. Sinasabi pero sasabihin ko ulit, paborito ko na pinayagan akong mag-perform na nakapaa. Because I'm comfortable singing barefoot eh.
Bakit po?
Ha?
Bakit po?
Well, I feel more connected. Diba? Nung panahon naman ng caveman, wala sapatos eh. So, it's good to be, I feel grounded.
Alam naman namin you're a singer talaga, pero ano yung
Thank you.
naging challenge nyo sa pagsali dito sa Singaling?
Was it different as in theater?
Theater,
First
di ba?
Definitely. Kasi sa theater, mas maraming rehearsal eh. Nagiging muscle memory siya. Tapos, you're just competing with yourself pag sa theater eh. Dito, you're competing with... Although, I try to just enjoy it and give the best performance that I can give. Because I think in any performance naman, I'm just competing with yung pulis sa likod, the critic. Diba? So once I silence that, I feel free and I just perform for the people and for him.
Did you happen to have like your own charity that you supported during that time?
Yeah, Dumaguete Animal Sanctuary. I always support foundations na nag-a-adopt, nagre-rescue ng mga hayop. Like ngayon, yung Potion Project, yung Biyaya Animal Sanctuary. Yeah.
And were you able to help them during that season?
Yes, I'm grateful I was able to give financial help.
That's awesome. I'm sure you've seen the finalists this year. Could you tell us maybe who among those finalists would you prefer to win?
Patay tayo dyan. Ito na, $1,000,000 question. Karamihan sa kanila mga kaibigan ko eh. Pero ako personally, siguro pinakamalalim na relationship. Nagkaroon ako ng pinakamalalim na relationship kay Johannes nung nagtrabaho kami for Direk Joey Reyes, Bantay Bahay, pelikula. Tapos doon ko nakita yung artistry niya eh. Na the way he sings also. That's why personally, yung bias ko is si Johannes. I'm rooting for him. Yes, tas nakakatuwa kasi parehas kami, I think, ni Johannes. Advocacy, siya din. Animal Foundation din. So, it makes sense. I think what we have to remember is when we help them, they help us also. Diba? Maraming mga therapy dogs and cats, right? Tinutulungan yung mga bulag, and when you're grieving, lalapit sila naturally sa'yo. Diba? It's healing eh. Yung ganong energy exchange.
What can you say about dun sa monkey na si Marge?
Cute! Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi.
Nandito po siya.
Ganon din. Pare-pares man tayo unggoy. May ganon, same na same yung anak ko. Tapos naalala ko pa nung time na yun kasi may time na sobrang kay particular ako sa pera. So nag-react pa ako nung nagpunta sa IKEA yung family ko para bumili ng mga plato, may kasamang unggoy. Tapos ang reasoning nila, kasi niyakap-yakap na ni Pepito, tapos nilaway-laway na, nakakaya nang ibalik. So medyo, nagtitipid tayo pero sige na nga. And then I noticed after that, laging gustong katabi ni Ito. Ang tawag niya si Aki, Monkey Aki. Then kato, nakita ko, yun din yung unggoy na hawak-hawak na yun. Diba? So every time nakikita ko yung unggoy na yun, naisip ko yung anak ko. Diba? Yun, wala lang,
Pepe,
nakaka-touch lang.
anong message mo sa Singaling family na binigyan ka ng chance to have a singing career?
Well, hindi lang naman yung Singaling yung nagbigay sa akin, pero isa ang Singaling sa mga unang nagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na maka-showcase ng talent ko, ng singing skills ko sa isang singing competition. So, I'm always grateful. Naalala ko, I had a great time with my fellow contestants. Doon ko yata unang naging kaklose si Patrick tsaka si Aljur. And then, nagkatrabaho kami sa isang teleserye after that. So, mas madali na yung rapport namin. Tapos si Chucky, si Boobsy, and then the band. May time na nakikisoundcheck ako, nagda-drums ako with the band. So, it felt like a playground. Kaya I'm always grateful. Forever grateful.
Sabi niya naman, sir, okay lang na tanongin. Kamusta na po kayo
Oo
after
naman.
that?
Oo naman.
Isang tanong lang.
Ayun, sakto. Kasi mag-ano ako, magpa-promote din ako. Pwede ba ako mag-promote?
Yes,
Sure, promote. It's now a blessing for me kasi yung mental health journey ko, yung healing journey ko, led for me to go back some more to my singing roots. Yung matagal ko nang pinapangarap na makapagsulat ng sarili kong kanta at ma-release siya sa Spotify, nangyari na. And all of that leads to my first ever solo concert. Sana makapunta kayo sa PETA Theater, produced by Backstage Manila. And I'm creating my album also, kasabay noon, produced naman by Music Monks. So sana makapunta kayo April 21 sa PETA Theater.
Sir, what's the first single that you released?
Nasa Spotify na, Post Muna.
Boss.
So it's very much related to my healing journey also.
Saan ginawa niyo?
It's my love letter to everyone.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Hihinga manood ako.
Tayo naman.
Kasunod na kayo?
Tayo naman sa money, fame. Yeah. The top of it is love.
Pepe, kumusta ka na after nung singling
Din pa
version?
yan.
Kumusta yung pagbabalik mo sa singling?
Pwede naman, okay lang sa akin. Pero, kamusta yung pagbabalik ko sa singling? Ayun, naalala ko yung mental health ko.
Binalik talaga na.